Good afternoon. Now let's come on to the chart of Bank Nifty and see what the scenario is for tomorrow. And I think the market has given a good amount of correction. You can see over here that there has been a good breakdown over here of this level which I had mentioned. This was the important level, that is 36,400. It gave a breakdown, went for a retest right over here, and then after it gave a breakdown over here, it did go down, all right, but it was not possible to catch these momentum because of the sheer amount of volatility over here. Now now what we can see is that Bank Nifty is at a really critical zone, and I think the news is already digested. Although if I show you, the latest trend, what is happening about Ukraine, you can see that all the bad news is coming into play, and the bad things are actually still going on all over the news. But I think that the market has already discounted these factors, and people are moving out of their houses. They are staying in the metro stations, and also I feel that this phenomena would be absorbed by the market, for which I have a really positive mindset. As you can also see that SGX Nifty is trading at a really positive zone. This is the chart of SGX Nifty, and almost it has reached 17,000. But that does not mean that the market can go up or go down. I am asking you not to base your trading decisions on SGX Nifty, because it's highly volatile and it can go wrong very badly. So I have identified a few safer options for you, okay, if you don't want to trade in Bank Nifty. But yeah, we will come to Bank Nifty once we are done with this. So HDFC Bank, as you can see, I think everyone can recognize this pattern. It is an inverted head and shoulder pattern, just like Bank Nifty, although over here the pattern seems a bit more nicer. So it is a buy above this level, which is 1466. All right, now coming on to gold mini, you can see that gold had gone up really nicely, and this is the gold futures contract, by the way, guys. And after it has gone up, it did come down substantially. All right, so now it is at a really nice support. So let me just draw this over here. You can see that this is the crucial zone of gold. If it breaks down this level, then we can go short. But my view is that it will take a support. It has already taken a support over here, and let's see what happens. If we are getting a bullish momentum, then we can again buy gold. And as far as the news goes, I think gold would be a safer bet, since it has already gone down for a proper retest. Okay, let's see what happens. Again, it would be a sell below 49,753. All right, now coming on to our Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty is highly volatile. I would request you to avoid this. There is a gap which I can see, and I believe everyone can see this, and the gap is more than so that is 1.8%. But I think the gap up which Bank Nifty would be going for, I think so this entire gap would be filled, and all the people who have again bought the put options, they are in a loss. So I have told you not to buy call or put naked options right now, because the market is highly volatile and anything can happen, and a small good news can bring up a huge amount of bull rally. Okay, guys, I would request you to please trade in smaller quantities, as it's becoming extremely dangerous. Okay, and coming on to Nifty, since you guys are also trading in Nifty, and I think Nifty would be a better option than Bank Nifty right now, because Bank Nifty is just too volatile. Okay, so this is the gap which it would be filling, I believe, as soon as the market opens. And over here, if it if it gives a if it's giving a negative type of candle, then we can go short. But initially I think the momentum would be upwards. It would go up and break this portion, because it seems like all the markets are actually positive. Okay. Again, I had mentioned that Ethereum was a really nice option, and you could have bought Ethereum when I had made the video, and it has gone up substantially. So this was the lowest point where I was describing that this can be a good buy for an investment purpose, and if you have some amount of cash, you can put into Ethereum, and you can see how the bull rally which Ethereum has given is quite impressive. And I believe if you would have taken that, you would be at a huge amount of profit. I told you that even today I'm saying that Ethereum has a target of more than 10,000 for the near long term, not even the long term. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a like, and if possible, I'll be updating the status of tomorrow's condition, or what would happen tomorrow, and accordingly we will decide our the trade scenario, what trade is to be taken and in which direction is to be taken. Okay, all the best, take care, bye.